Attention social media real estate flippers. Are you a savvy real estate investor or landlord who's making waves on social media? Do you post your latest flips and investment opportunities on platforms like TikTok, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, and Twitter? If so, I have an exciting opportunity for you. I'm Freddie Avila, a private funding liaison from Private MNY Lender. I specialize in providing private funding for real estate investors just like you. I've noticed that many of you do an amazing job marketing your investments, and I want to offer you a game-changing opportunity. Imagine being able to offer private funding available during your rehab videos and on all your online ads. Not only will this help you sell your properties quicker, but I'll also collaborate with you. For every mention of Private MNY Lender in your videos, I will share them on my social media platforms that exceed over 200,000 followers, giving you even more exposure. And with your permission, of course. But that's not all. I understand that in the world of real estate investing, time is money. That's why I offer a fast turnaround time, with VIP members enjoying a simple application process, swift loan decisions, and we can close within days. Of course, it all depends on how quickly you can send in the documentation required. This means you can act quickly on those hot investment opportunities and stay ahead of the competition. We want your business, and we're prepared to match or beat your current rates. With over 130 lenders that we work with, we have the flexibility to tailor loan terms to your specific needs and ensure that you get the best deal possible. At Private MNY Lender, we understand that unforeseen expenses can arise, and we want to be there for you. If a deal that's too good to pass up falls into your lap, but your money is tied up, we can help you seize that opportunity. If you want to grow quicker and invest in more properties in rapidly growing cities based on market stability, growth potential, demand for real estate, rental yields, property prices, economic factors, and other relevant indicators, we can help you grab the market in your area. Our loans cover up to 90% of the purchase price and 100% of the rehab costs, as long as it doesn't exceed 65% of the after-repair value, ARV. We work with legitimate U.S. entities, LLC, Corporation Inc., with 51% or more ownership, and a 10% down payment in cash, collateral, or deal equity is necessary. Maintaining 3 months debt service reserves at closing is required, and the credit score requirement is 650 or more. However, at Private MNY Lender, we understand that every deal is unique. While these are our general guidelines, we primarily focus on the property itself rather than solely on the borrower. This means that if you have an amazing deal with strong potential, we can provide funding even if you don't meet these exact criteria. Additionally, borrowers with 4 successful deals through private money funding can expedite closing within 7 days or less, bypassing the appraisal wait. This, of course, depends on our continued collaboration. If you're ready to take your real estate investments to the next level and collaborate with Private MNY Lender, reach out to me today. With our nationwide coverage, extensive lender network, experienced staff, and commitment to matching or beating your current rates, we're here to help you achieve your real estate goals. You can contact me by telephone at 310-940-8886, email at contact@privatemony.com, or complete the online contact form on our website, privatemoneylender.com. Money spelled MNY. Thank you for watching, and let's make your real estate dreams a reality.